Welcome back, YouTube. We have a new episode of the Merritt Minute, and today we're going to dedicate it to Presta Detailing. Presta offers high-quality detailing solutions for automotive, marine, and gel coat finishes. Whether you're trying to bring back the shine on faded paint or removing scratches and swirl marks, Presta has a product for each step of the process. Presta products are free of silicones and fillers to give you a true shine that's guaranteed to please. And before we dive in, go ahead and hit that subscribe bell. We are posting new content every week for you, and we don't want you to miss any of these cool videos or any of our free giveaways. So go on and subscribe now and stay tuned. So let's get right into it. Here we have one of the most popular compounds, the Supercut. A very aggressive compound that's formulated to remove 600 grit scratches and heavy oxidation. Specially designed to cut down on work time, this compound works fast and leaves a high gloss finish. And to give you a closer look, you can just see the grit on the compound. Paired with a 100% twisted wool pad, this compound will cut through the haze and oxidation fast and leave nothing but a shine behind. Up next is the Max Finishing Polish, a perfect ending to a good buffing with innovative technology. Its diminishing abrasives polish leaves a flawless and swirl-free finish. Look closely at just how smooth the cream is. This water-based formula significantly reduces mess and cleanup time compared to other competitive brands. We also carry other Presta products for lighter cutting and polishing, along with finishing waxes and coatings. Come check them out for yourself and let us know in the comments section which one of these you want to see in action, and we'll help you get that shiny brand new look. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, we have so much awesome stuff to show you. Let us know in the comment sections if you have any questions, and write down if you want to see any of our products in action. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram so you stay up to date with the latest sales, promotions, and news in our industry. And check out our website at merrittsupply.com for a full list of products and prices. Thanks again for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you again on the next one.